What if one single ChatGPT prompt could do the work of an entire employee, not a team, not expensive software, not a virtual assistant you have to pay every single month? One prompt. By the end of this video, I am going to show you exactly what that prompt looks like and how to set it up for your specific business in under 5 minutes. I'm also going to show you the one mistake that kills this completely. Most people make it without even realizing. Let's go. If you are a freelancer, a trainer, or a small business owner, and you are currently doing everything yourself, client management, proposals, follow-ups, content, admin, this video is going to change how you use AI forever. Because most people are using ChatGPT like a calculator. Point one task. One answer. Close the tab. Come back tomorrow. That is not a system. That is just outsourcing your typing. Here is what an actual employee does that ChatGPT currently does not do for most people. An employee knows your business. They know your clients. They know your voice. They know what you need before you even finish explaining. You do not have to explain your business from scratch every single morning to a good employee. But that is exactly what most people do with ChatGPT. Every single day, new chat. No context. Generic output. Frustration. The problem is not ChatGPT. The problem is that you never properly introduced yourself. And today, I am going to show you exactly how to fix that. Here is the prompt. Screenshot this right now. You are my dedicated business assistant. Here is everything you need to know about me. Name, your full name. Profession, what you do for a living. Business, your business name and what it does. Location, your city and country. Target clients. Describe who you serve. Current challenge, your biggest business problem right now. My tone, how you like to communicate. My goals this month, what you are working toward right now. Based on everything above, your job is to help me run my business more efficiently every single day. Start by asking me what I need help with today. That is the full prompt. But here is what makes it powerful. And this is the part most people miss. It is not the prompt itself. It is what the prompt unlocks. When ChatGPT reads that, it stops being a generic AI. It becomes your specific business assistant. From that point on, every response is calibrated directly to you, your business, your clients, your voice, your goals, not some generic business abroad, not a copy-paste template from Twitter. Let me show you what is possible in a single session with this prompt active. Scenario 1. The client proposal. Imagine typing, I need a proposal for a logistics company in Lagos for a 2-day digital skills training. Budget is 300,000 naira. ChatGPT returns a complete, professional proposal. Structured, properly priced, ready to send. What normally takes 2 hours manually is handled in under 5 minutes. Scenario 2. Social media content. Same session, same chat. You type, create 5 LinkedIn posts for this week promoting my AI training services. Because ChatGPT already knows your audience and your tone, 5 posts come back in 90 seconds. Ready to upload. Scenario 3. A difficult client. You type, a client is pushing back on my pricing. Help me respond without dropping my rate. The reply is firm, professional, and warm. It fits your business personality perfectly because you already told ChatGPT exactly who you are. 1 prompt setup. 3 completely different tasks, all handled in a single session. That is the difference between using ChatGPT as a tool and using it as a partner. Now, the mistake I promised you. Most people set this prompt up once, then start a brand new chat the next day. And ChatGPT forgets everything. All that context. Gone. Back to square one. Here's the fix. 2 options. Option 1. Turn on ChatGPT memory. Go to settings, then personalization, then memory, and switch it on. ChatGPT will start remembering your details automatically across conversations. Option 2. Save your full prompt in your phone notes right now. Every new conversation starts with you pasting it in. Takes 10 seconds. Your business context is back instantly. I personally use both. Memory for general day-to-day context. Saved prompt for sessions where I need the full detail active. Either way, never start a new chat without your context loaded. That is where 90% of people lose the value of this tool completely. 3 quick ways to make this even more powerful. Number 1. Update your goals every month. Change the goals section on the 1st of every month. ChatGPT will shift its focus automatically. Number 2. Add your best client profiles. Describe your 2 or 3 ideal clients. Every proposal and email will be written with exactly those people in mind. Number 3, add your pricing. Put your standard rates in the prompt. ChatGPT will never undersell you in a proposal again. One prompt, customized to your business. Running every single day. That is not a shortcut. That is infrastructure. I have put the full business assistant prompt template in the description, already formatted and ready for you to fill in your details. Completely free. Grab it right now. If this saved you time today, subscribe. I drop a new AI workflow every single week, built specifically for African freelancers and business owners. Drop a comment below. What is the one task in your business you most want AI to handle for you? I read every single comment. Next video, I am showing you how to use Canva AI to create professional marketing materials in under 20 minutes. No design experience needed whatsoever. That one drops Tuesday. See you there.